All right, last day on Kauai. I'm really sad because I'm leaving, but
before I get into the rest of the day, it's time to choose the winner of our giveaway. I am so excited about this because this is our biggest giveaway yet, just for our YouTube subscribers. So thank you so much for being here. The prize includes one original artwork from me, one original artwork from Brianna, as well as our Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apua postcard, and we're going to personalize a message on the back of it for you. And then, of course, our 2 exclusive stickers that we designed in Hawaii, which is the sea turtle from me and the really cool palm tree sticker from Brie. So let's choose a winner. We put everyone's names into this little spinny random generator tool. Congrats to Tiffany Joan 3640. You have won the giveaway and we will reach out to you and get you your prizes. Congratulations. Thank you so much for being here and supporting us on this journey. For our last day on Kauai, we actually got up like at 6 a.m. That way we could get up and go to the beach, watch the sunrise just over the ocean. It was so peaceful and so beautiful. We brought our art supplies, so of course we were doing some sketching, but also just taking in the wonder that is the ocean on Hawaii. I mean, look at how beautiful it is. I did a bit of sketching as well. I painted this little metallic dolphin in my sketchbook that matches the humpback whale I did the previous evening when we were watching the moon over the ocean, and I just love how they both go together. I also sketched this volcano girl. I didn't really record my process because I was just taking in the beauty surrounding me, but I do really want to show you what she looks like finished. So here she is later in the week when I took a little video of her at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park in front of the volcano. So yes, that's a volcano steaming in the background, and here's what she looks like. I really love how she turned out. Okay, now back to the ocean because we spent all morning here just soaking it in. I brought my camera too so that I could get some really good photos because I just love taking photos of the water and the movement of it.
I think you need like a little bit farther back from where you were. Even just a wee bit farther. Yeah, I think that was good.
Next, we went back to Living Foods in Poipu Beach, and we've been here several times this week during our stay because the food was just so fresh and so good, and had this great big picnic bench outside where we could just spread all of our art supplies out and just enjoy the weather and enjoy the views and just, you know, create all the art that we wanted to create. So we were just honestly just enjoying our last day here on the island together and just working on our sketchbooks. On this page, I am actually painting and designing the exclusive sticker that we have sent out to all of our sponsors, the little sea turtle. So here you get to see me actually painting it before I turn it into a sticker. Alright, last day on Kauai. I'm really sad because I'm leaving, but also excited because I'm hopping over to the Big Island for a couple days. I am at Living Foods in Poipu Beach right now, and I'm about to leave this little artwork in the store somewhere for free for someone to find in the community, so I hope someone finds it and loves it. If you watched my previous Kauai vlogs, you actually did see me painting this piece, but just in case you haven't watched those and you're new here, here's just a little peek at how this little mini artwork came together. I painted it with watercolors on a little art aqua canvas board, and I painted it at our Airbnb at the beach. I just spread it out over a couple of days, and here it is finished. I hope someone just falls in love with it.
Katie's gonna gift this little original painting, guys, to somebody. Cute. Yep. And some stickers.
Hopefully someone loves them.
And we're gonna go in the store and put these in there. To grab.
Should we put it in front of the brioche rolls? Let's put it in front of the rolls. Right there. Maybe someone will find it.
Artwork is placed. Here's Katie's at Living Foods in Kauai. Someone definitely took the last envelope of stickers that we left here, so that's pretty cool. Someone got some stickers. All right, now it's time to take Katie to the airport.
Don't cry.
I almost cried actually driving here. I was just like, oh my gosh, it's coming close to an end. Sorry. Woo! Wee! Shaka! Right, we are saying goodbye to Katie.
So sad.
Say goodbye, guys.
And that is it for my week on Kauai with Bree. I was so sad to leave, but also excited to go explore the Big Island for a few days. Really quick, I do just want to show you some of the art that I created on Kauai while I was there. I had the most wonderful time with Bree on Kauai, just creating art and just enjoying the beauty of the island. And I just want to say thank you so much for following along with us and just being here. And don't worry, because you haven't seen the last of us, we'll definitely be taking more trips and creating more art together in the future, so stay tuned.